Now, hunt continues for Doda terrorists. Jammu and Kashmir ADGP visits Doda encounter site. Terrorists hidden in tough terrain. Sources say those terrorists may have fled as well. Remember, a huge joint operation with the Indian Army as well as the Jammu and Kashmir Police has been continuing for the last 2 days. Unfortunately, 4 of our officers have died, 3 soldiers and 1 officer, Major British Thapa. In fact, we're looking at further encounters that has been reported from that region. And in the latest, what we hear is the ADGP visiting the Doda site where terrorists are allegedly hidden, but due to tough terrains aren't visible. Sources say those terrorists may also have fled from the region after the ambush on our officers. Big update coming in on the Doda Jammu and Kashmir terror attack. As we see continued strikes along the Jammu and Kashmir region, focus has clearly shifted from the Kashmir region to Jammu. This time Doda, where officers, including 3 Jawans, have died in that gunfight, which continued for 2 whole days.
Right now, we are standing in the forest belt of Desa here in Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. And this is that place where a fierce encounter broke out between the security forces and terrorists late last night. The security forces had a specific input that there was presence of terrorists in the upper reaches of Desa here in Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir. And based on that specific input, a massive anti-terror operation was launched by the security forces. Indian Army and Special Operations Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police worked together, and this counter-terror operation was launched at about 7 p.m. last evening. At about 9 p.m., the security forces were successful in establishing a contact with the terrorists who were hiding in the upper reaches. Unfortunately, in the gunfight, 4 of our brave hearts sustained serious injuries, and in the morning we got this tragic news, we got this unfortunate news that all 4 of them attained Veer Gati. They made the supreme sacrifice of their lives for the nation. This entire stretch is surrounded by dense forests, mountains, so it becomes very difficult for security forces to carry out counter-terror operation in areas like these. Unfortunately, on most occasions in the recent past, the Pakistani terrorists who have carried out these dastardly terror attacks have managed to escape from the terror attack spots. That is why this time around the security forces want to ensure that these coward Pakistani terrorists don't escape and they are neutralized as soon as possible. This is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Ground Zero in Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir for India Today.
All right, now yet another terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir that's claimed lives of 4 of our soldiers, 3 Jawans, 1 officer in that heavy ambush and gunfight with those terrorists. Encounter took place when the troops of the Rashtriya Rifles and Special Operations Group launched a joint cordon search operation at Dhari Gote, Urarbagi in Desa forest belt. Terrorists tried to escape but were chased down by the brave troops. That eventually led to an officer, despite the challenging terrain, being killed. The attack has been claimed by the terror group Kashmir Tigers, a Jaish proxy. 5 soldiers were critically injured in the encounter. 4 of them, including the officer, later succumbed to injuries.